Dogs 240 355 1110. This is a basement stairwell. Little add-on to house wash and wax. Look at all the rust you see on this right here. Here's your before video. They'll be after video next. Dogs 240 355 1110. Folks, this video are the rust stains. There's one right there. Got one there. Bottom side has got some stains on it. Rust stains there. Some there, and one right here. Before video, they'll be after video next. And after. Dogs 240 355 1110. Give us a call for power wash needs, Bowie, Maryland. Dogs 240 355 1110.